Hello, my name is Danielle. I have the questions on my phone, so let's do this, one time. You can pronounce my name Danielle, Danny, Miss Adams. I don't care. It's just Danielle. I'm taking this course because I have to. My personal goals for this semester is to get higher than a B in all of my classes. I'm a full-time student and I'm a full-time employee, so I'm very busy. One academic goal, get an A. My major is communications and early childhood education. I am excited to learn I'm excited to learn how to apply what I learned in class into real life situations. I want to work in human resource, specifically Amazon. I'm currently an employee of Amazon, the fulfillment center in Newark, right next to the Newark campus at Ohlone. So it'd be really easy to just work there and then go to school, go to work. It's very easy. I was exposed to the field of communication when I had to do a public speaking class. The teacher I had was someone who's not at Ohlone anymore, or she's someone who, we just don't talk about her or something, but ever since I was exposed to that one class, and I had to take it again because I didn't get a good grade in it, but that's besides the point. Irrelevant. I really loved all the comm teachers. I love the students. I love the coursework and how it's all applied and everything like that. I also have gone to a couple different guest speakers, and I was a part of the gender sex fair. Oh gosh, a year ago, I believe. I was at really fun booth. You had to bring your hands over your head and then bring it back down. It was about the abusive or the abusive booth. My personal goals to realistically accomplish in the next 8 weeks. I feel like I'm going to be one of the first people to respond to a lot of things because I have so many other classes and I'm so busy with work right now that I might be one of the first people to just respond and bust it all out at one time because I don't have any other time to get it done. So my personal goal is to be the first or one of the first, I don't know, just to get it done as early as I can. I like when things are posted in advance so I can schedule in what I need to do and when. Discuss type of communication that you find most challenging. I find challenging talking about myself. I don't like to talk about myself, especially on a recording. I feel like that's really weird. But just in general too, at a job interview, what's your greatest strengths and weaknesses? What have you really undergone that's makes you a good candidate? It's I don't know. I don't want to talk about me. Let's talk about you. So that's me, ish, kind of from a screen in the distance. Okay, bye.